welcome back to my channel. I'm Faith. If you are new here, welcome. So guys, in this video I'll be telling you guys about an organism that lives in the eyelashes. So there are a couple of organisms that lives in the eyelashes and they are called Demodays. So Demodays is an 8-legged mite that lives in the eyelashes, and also they crawl all around the face, eating oily secretion and dead cells. Okay, so these organisms are microscopic organisms, very tiny microscopic organisms. So before they eat up, they actually blow up all over your face before eating. So these Demodays can only survive in the human skin. Okay, so these Demodays are of many species, and only 2 actually lives in the human eyelashes. And these 2 they are known as the Demodays folliculum and Demodays brevis, something like that. I'll just write them down so you guys will see them. Almost all animals in the planet is a host to these Demodays, so don't think you are exempted. Okay, you might be wondering if these organisms can cause harm. They do not cause harm, they cannot, but and they may worsen a pre-existing condition such as the rosacea. They do not cause any harm. These organisms grow naturally in the human face and eyelashes. These organisms are naturally found in the human faces, so from childhood till after 18, but the number increases as you age. Okay, so the older you get, the more number of Demodays you find in your face. The worst thing a Demodays can do is just irritate your face. They do not cause symptoms, like they do not cause any symptoms, but occasionally you can have some skin disease caused by mites. Now there is an increasing evidence of large amounts of skin problems caused by these Demodays. Okay, so like I said, there's no need for you to be alarmed. I just want you to be aware of it. It doesn't cause any harm to the face, so I just wanted you to know about it. All right, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.